Tinkering Tom back on YouTube. So I'm gonna show you the good, bad, and the ugly. So I just fixed the EGR valve by pulling the whole throttle body housing and cleaning out the bore and boring out the passages and stuff like that, clearing out all the carbon deposits. Got the check engine light, got everything running, and then all of a sudden the battery light came on. So I'll show you what that looks like. Car's on. Show you what happened. So I was like, oh, check engine light, but then now I have this battery symbol. Okay, so I have this special little thing right here for my radio, and it tells me how many voltage it's getting. Right now, I don't know if you saw that, it said like 13.9. It's almost 14 volts. But anyways, I went to O'Reilly, had them check the alternator with their little tester. It passed the test, so I'm thinking, I know my battery's good as far as I know. I think I just got it replaced maybe a few months ago. The truck was running great before that. It was just a little emissions thing. I got the tags going out soon. You know, we're in May. So I was like, what is going on? So I watched one YouTube video, and he was talking about how the circuits go bad or something like that inside. Well, I didn't really think my alternator was bad since it passed. Well, it turns out, I guess when I was removing everything, that somehow I knocked this loose. This cable right here, I don't know what happened to it, but it looks like it broke. So if that cable is loose, it goes down into that hole. You're gonna get the light on your dash, and it won't show a code, and it won't tell O'Reilly or anyone that there's something wrong with your alternator. But it looks like something broke. The plastic isn't gonna be going yet. We'll see what happens if I have to get a new wire, or see how I can pull out the old bits of it. But that's my issue right now. So just letting you know, if you have the battery light on your dash, check that wire first. This is a 2000 F150 super cab, rear wheel drive, but it would probably cover any Ford truck, probably around 97 through 03, probably other vehicles too. Peace, Tinker and Tom. Please hit subscribe or like to the channel. Check the connection running off your alternator. Make sure those are all good before you condemn the alternator. And it might not show up, like I said, on that little test they run at the auto parts stores. Peace. Alright, so we're gonna run the test now. Key on, you see the symbols. Now with it on, all the lights are off. So just by putting that connection back, it fixed the battery light. So make sure you check that on your vehicle before you think otherwise. Tinker and Tom figured it out. Well, I mean, I had to fix that piece. I couldn't get the plastic clip out. Maybe I can get some glue or something. I don't really know what I'm going to do about it. But all I did was just slide it back on the post. I slid the connection back on the little post. Just kind of put it back in place firmly. It didn't clip into place because the clip's broken. But with the truck running, there's no light. Okay, all the lights are on now. It's gonna go away. So remember to check that connection. That could be your problem. Please hit subscribe or like to the channel, guys. Tinker and Tom. Please let me know what kind of content you guys want to see, repair videos, reviews, or you know, reviewing other people's cars, a little hooning around. Just let me know. Peace.